ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Hadin bakasengsan Partai Bharatiya Janata Party kaladawa ya ke Sorkar MDA ban wengno ya uba Lahkmen Rymbui ne ke Shuki ba ubat kum Myntri katanat ki kampo ying Henry ne kaliang jong Myntri rang ba ke Sorkar jela u Conrad konggal Sangma ha ke arpu praterik ukula lengkot arajar arpuwei ula krensha badalele ru weng satian ya uba Lahkmen Rymbui nagane ke Shuki habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor Myntri rang ba ula ong bakamdon kono ka dawan weng ya uba Lahkmen Rymbui naka Shuki ba ubat kum Myntri katanat ki kampo ying halor ka jingken no ba umshim lala ban tem ya ka jingkayi be an ya udoyong naka jela.
I have nothing to say about that. That is his opinion, and that's opinion of the political party. I have nothing to say on that regards. But there's no question of dropping Mr. Lahkmen Rymbui. No, I think it's only the party that is the party unit and certain individuals in the party unit who are making statements. It does not reflect the views and opinions and stand of the entire party. If you look, almost 90% of the party leaders are working very closely with the MDA colleagues and the other coalition partners. There are one or two individuals who are making statements like these, so I don't think it reflects the entire thought process of the BJP. Based on whatever the rules that apply will be accordingly done. So that process information has not come to me right now. But whatever based on law and based on rules are there will be done. But as I said, I'll have to take the report information about that. Thank you.